Nongialam juga seng Kongres iba kynthup yaka Bobbeeta Sharma, Mathew Anthony, Benny Bahnan MP, Jesudas Seelam, Kong Joplin Scott Shylla, Sanjay kila ujor pyrshah Election Commission, Chief Electoral Officer, CEO F R Kharkongor, yaka jingshim bynta Kong Phidalia Toi, Chairperson Meghalaya Women's Commission, hakikam Elekshon jong Bah Wailadmiki Shylla, kyrtong seng NPP na Jowai. Kini kirang ba Kongres kila Dawa ban bishar ka jingle jong Kong Phidalia Toi. Kabamya de dur buram ka akor jong nongialam bah khridu jong tanat yada yaki kenthei ka jala baro kawai. Kila Dawa ru ban Weng mardor lani disqualify Bah Wailadmiki Shylla kumu kyrtong hakani ka election namar ula pendon kamba kalai ki bri ke badan hak sorkar ban kershan u hak Jingiakhun election jong u. Kila keno ru ka Kong Phidalia Toi bakala pendon kamba kalai ka syuki trekam jongka Bade bantian bishar halor kanika kamba kalale. Kini nongialam kila ujor ru ka jing tabanya ka sor Shillong de kidur jong menteri rang badu Narendra Modi Amit Shah bat JP Nanda haki surok ki kenro bat halenti sengken bade ban Weng no iki mardor namar ki penuwet iki khmat ki pat ba ki ba im bat ki balai bawan hakani kanong ba.
Namanta i chairperson ng Women's Commission ba idon banta hakajing file nomination Jowai candidate jong ka party NPP West Giant Hills Bah Wailadmiki Shylla tingwan ujor kata ke kami ba kini ban Weng no yaka post naka post jong chairperson but are you like for him to be
disqualified?
We want
yeah.
the candidate to be disqualified,
Yeah.
as well as the Women Commission to be removed,
Removed,
because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the Indian Member Citizen Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is
Benny
a
here.
clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson's, the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That's our demand.
Yes. We have also brought a second factor into the notice of the Chief Electoral Officer. All over this Shillong city, the posters of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are displayed on the government buildings and on the government poles, electrical poles. So we requested them to take action to remove those posters immediately because it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
And what was the assurance from the CEO?
They said 100% they will verify and take
Investigating into the
action.
matter and they will take cognizance.
Yeah.
They have taken cognizance of the event and they will take
look into
action
the
on that.
matter. Yeah.
Always we hope because the election commission will act according to the law and the election rules. We hope the election commission will take necessary action and immediate action against these violations.
Yes, that's right.